Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Twitch Stream offline error that appears even when you're live. First, refresh the Twitch page or open your stream in an incognito window to rule out a browser glitch. Next, check your streaming software and confirm you're actually connected and broadcasting, not stuck in preview mode. Now head to your stream settings and make sure the correct Twitch account and stream key are linked. If the key looks wrong, reset it and reconnect. Also, verify your category and title are saved because unsaved changes can delay stream status updates. Then check your internet connection and avoid VPNs that may confuse Twitch servers. If the problem continues, restart your streaming software and router. Finally, give Twitch a minute to update, as stream status can lag briefly. These steps usually resolve the offline error and get your stream showing live properly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.